स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसटेस क्लासेस। आज हम प्लस वन क्लास के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। प्लस वन में हमारा चैप्टर 5 इज गोइंग ऑन लीनियर इनइक्वालिटीज और लीनियर इनइक्वेशन। ओके, ऑन दिस चैप्टर 5, दिस इज द लेक्चर नंबर 5। 4 lectures over on this chapter 5. Now continues forward. Exercise 5.1 up to question number 24 done. Forward we have to do question number 25. What is question number 25? In NCERT book beta, it is the longest side of a triangle is 3 times its shortest side. So dependent, independent quantities you should check. One is the shortest side, one is the longest side. So longest is depend on the shortest. So let the shortest because independent we have. The solution for this question, let independent side, let shortest side. What is independent here? Shortest. Let shortest side be x centimeter. Okay. Now, according to question, longest side. According to question, so longest side equal 3 times of its, so 3x. Okay, clear this point according to the given in the question. After that, what is saying in the question number 25? After that saying, and the third side is 2 centimeters shorter. Third side of the triangle is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest. So longest say shorter. Come, only third side, and third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest. So longest is 3x and 2 centimeters less, minus 2. This is the third side according to question. Okay, this saying the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 and according to question, what perimeter is, perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter. At least means घट्टोघट आणि कम से कम 61. So then greater than and equal to 61 given. Okay beta, according to this given condition, this is the given inequality. Perimeter. So perimeter, what is perimeter of triangle? We know perimeter 2 into length plus breadth. All sides. Triangle, sum of all sides. Perimeter. Okay. Perimeter of triangle, sum of all sides. Sum of all sides means x plus 3x plus 3x minus 2. Okay, all three sides sum. perimeter at least 61. At least means greater than and equal to 61. कम से कम, at least I told. At least means कम से कम, इतना है से ज़्यादा नहीं. Greater than and equal हो सकता है. So according to question this condition, now simplify. X procedure told us 4 3 7, then 7x is greater than and equal 61 plus 2, 63. Okay, centimeter. Now x greater than and equal divide by 7. 7 9 is 63. Okay. Then this x is our shorter side. Asking here minimum length of shorter side. So minimum length of shortest side equal x means equal 9. Okay, minimum 9. Greater than 9 also here possible. So here asking minimum. Then this is answer. Done. Okay. Similarly, next question. Yes, beta. Next question. Question number 26. 26 is in the NCERT book. A man wants to cut 3 pieces from a single piece of board. तो ये बोर्ड का पीस उससे 3 पीस कट करना चाहता है. कैसे चाहता है 3 पीस करना? ओके. लेंथ 91 सेंटीमीटर. उसकी लेंथ 91 सेंटीमीटर है. ठीक है. उसे चाहता है 3 पीस. द सेकंड लेंथ इज टू बी 3 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्गर than the shortest, and the third length is to be twice of as longer as the shortest. तो shortest पर depend है बेटा. तो independent is shorter here also as question number 5. तो let shortest length okay be solution that shortest piece length is equal to x centimeter. According to question, longest piece length depend on shortest, saying that the second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shorter. ये कहा है second length, not longest. Second length saying है second length. Second piece length saying 3 centimeter 3 centimeters longer than the shortest. So shortest x, then second piece x minus 3 centimeters according to question. After that, and the third length is to be twice as long as the shortest. Shortest twice है, कौन सी third? And third piece length is twice as the shortest, then 2x centimeter. Okay, beta, is all three piece length fixed according to length the independent. Okay, beta, बाकी डिपेंडेंट निकाल लिए हमने. Clear? Twice as long as the shortest. What are the possible lengths of the shortest board? Shortest board. Okay. If the third piece is to be at least a third piece पर condition भी third piece. The third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer. Third piece according to question. Third piece is at least 5 centimeter longer than the second. Second is x plus 3. ये इससे कम से कम 5 सेंटीमीटर बड़ा है, लॉन्गर है ये इससे 5 सेंटीमीटर बड़ा है, ये बड़ा है एटलीस्ट कम से कम 5 सेंटीमीटर बड़ा है, ये इससे ज्यादा भी बड़ा हो सकता है. तो ये इक्वल कब बनेगा? ये ग्रेटर होगा या इक्वल होगा कब? जबकि ये 5 सेंटीमीटर ज्यादा कह रहे हैं हम कम से कम, तो यहाँ पर हमें 5 देना होगा इसको. ओके, ये इंपॉर्टेंट थी, तब ये इक्वल हो जाएगा. ये कम से कम x प्लस 3 से 5 सेंटीमीटर बड़ा है, तो ये बड़ा है इसलिए या तो इसमें से -5 करो या इसमें +5 कर दो, इक्वल हो जाएंगे. एंड एटलीस्ट कम से कम इतना है, तो एटलीस्ट का मतलब इक्वल एंड ग्रेटर देन द कंडीशन दिस. तो नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन this condition is most important in this question. Now solve it. Then 2x this minus x greater than equal. Okay, beta. 2x minus x greater than equal 8. Then x greater than equal 8. एक कंडीशन ये है, ठीक है. 8/2 बेटा 2x माइनस x, ठीक है. एक तो ये आ गया x greater than equal to 8 है, तो shortest piece x 8 हो गया. तो second piece asking what asking in the question, which point asking? They are asking in the question what are the possible lengths of the shortest board. शॉर्टेस्ट बोर्ड की पॉसिबल लेंथ भी बतानी है और पहले ये भी देखना है कि तीनों पीस कट हुए थे इससे 91 से. तो मींस x दूसरी इक्वेशन x प्लस 3 प्लस 30 2x all sum less than and equal to 91 because board which is single board from that B3 piece cut out that is 91 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ का है. तो उसमें से जब कट करेंगे तीनों पीस का सम बड़ा तो हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि काटने में भी थोड़ा बहुत उसका पीस कम हो सकता है, इसलिए लेस देन एंड इक्वल 91 इनका टोटल होगा अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. ये भी सेकंड कंडीशन, ठीक है. अब इनको सॉल्व किया, देन ये बना 4x x plus 2x 4x plus 3 3 बन जाएगा 91 minus 3. Okay, then x less than and equal 88 divided by 4, then x less than and equal 44, 22, sorry, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 22. So less than 22 and greater than equal to 8. So x from both is second is first. So from both this implies x greater than and equal 8, x greater than equal to 8 and less than and equal to 22. From this answer, what are the possible length of the shortest length क्या है? ये कम से कम 8 और ज्यादा से ज्यादा 22 इनके बीच में होगी. Okay? What are the possible lengths of the shortest chord? What are the possible lengths of the shortest chord? Answer will come there. Clear? shortest chord की possible length इनके बीच में होगी. तो required length of shortest chord is between this more than and equal 8 less than 22, more than and equal 8 and less than 22 and equal 22 centimeter. So this between 8 and 22 centimeter, maybe 8 or maybe 22 shortest. Okay. So now if you see if shortest 8 plus 3 11, 8 to the 16, 16 then 27 and 8. 8 then okay, then 99. Okay, clear this from this only and from this also condition correct. Okay, then every number will be here possible. Okay, if you are taking equal 22 here, 22 to the 44 and here 22 plus 3, 25 plus 5, 30. So this 22 to the 44. 44 is greater than the 30. Correct? So both conditions satisfied. One is this and other is this. These two conditions indeed satisfied by this value of x. Okay? And this answer. Like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them. They must send the video to the maximum and guide them. They must subscribe the channel and send the feedback. Okay? And write the comment in comment box. Thank you.